Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue in Roblox which says chat filter is currently facing an issue. So if that issue is happening with you, there's only one possible solution of that, and to check that just simply go to the website whose link will be provided to you in the description box. So just go to the website, which is this one. If you are facing that issue, that means the server in your country or state is down for Roblox. So if the server is down, you will face that issue. So to check whether your server is down or not, just simply go to this website, then choose your country from the little flags over here. Just simply choose your country, then just simply click on that, and then it will show you is the server down in your particular country or not, which you can see over here. In my case, it is not down. So there is no problem with my chat filter right now. So as you can see, the server was down a few hours ago. So when the server was down, I was also facing that particular issue. And when the server came back online, the issue was fixed. So the issue is mostly related to the server. So if the server is down, you will be facing the issue. And when the server will be back online, you will not be facing issue. But even if you have the server up and running and you are still facing that issue, what you can do is just simply uninstall the game and reinstall it from the start. And that should fix the issue. So that's it. And thank you for watching. And do like and subscribe to my channel. And take care.